So all these questions must be popping up on your mind as well. So what could be the solution? So that isko laga dala to life jhinga dala. By the way, not the solution. So you all must be wondering what could be the better solution for all those questions popping up on your mind. All MComs, BComs, or any other commerce graduate, including chartered accountant and cost accountant, wanting to do a job or career in finance, accounts, and audit can think of having an international qualification in accounts and finance. What could be the better solution than Diploma IFRS by ACCA? IFRS is International Financial Reporting Standards, which are globally unified accounting and reporting standards prepared by IASB for preparing the financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss account, and cash flow statements. What we were using before IFRS. Before IFRS, all companies in the respective countries were using their respective GAAPs, generally accepted accounting principles, for preparation of financial statements. What was the problem? Companies following the respective accounting GAAPs of their own countries. Due to increasing globalization, a lot of companies do cross-border transactions, businesses, and other trades, which requires entities to understand their financial statements of each other. However, because they follow different GAAPs, it was difficult for them to understand their financial statements. IFRS resolved this problem. As per the study of IASB, approximately from 166 countries, more than 140 countries are on IFRS. India cannot be behind the world. We also have accepted a version of IFRS. We call it as Indian Accounting Standards converged with IFRS. We call it as Ind AS. Now, Ind AS, to how many companies and which companies it is applicable in India? So there are three categories of companies to which Ind AS is applicable. Number one, all listed companies or companies in the process of listing. Second, all private limited companies whose net worth is 250 crores or more. And number three, all parent, joint venture, subsidiaries and associate companies of category 1 and category 2. Likewise, there are almost 30 to 40,000 companies come within the ambit of Ind AS. Their finance staff, their consultants, auditors, all are required to have knowledge on Ind AS. Consequently, IFRS. Because there are minimal differences between IFRS and Ind AS. Approximately only 5% differences are there between IFRS and Ind AS. We have made those changes. India has made those changes to suit the economic scenarios within India. So what are you waiting for? Come and grab this key for n number of opportunities in future. To know more about Finpro Consulting, visit our website www.finproconsulting.in. Thank you.